Alright, what's up guys? So I made an intro to this video already. I have no idea what happened to it. I'm editing it right now on my computer and I can't find it anywhere. So basically I'm just going to remake it real quick. I found some PCs at a business that upgraded all their computer hardware and was selling all their PCs for 50 bucks each. Gave me a bundle deal, picked them all up, and basically we're going to turn these little old Dell crappy PCs into some sick gaming PCs for under $200. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I just got back. It's like a 30-minute drive, but I just hit up this guy who was selling an Asus 1060 6GB Turbo Edition for only 100 bucks. I'm gonna see if it works. Hopefully everything powers on. Seemed like a good dude. Quick deal. But usually these go online. I think the cheapest I've ever seen is like $200 for a used, and then new I think they're going for like $300 or something like that. So for $100, and this is in immaculate condition by the way, like I inspected it, everything, said he only had it for a couple months and then upgraded to a 1080. So I'm gonna test it out and hopefully everything works, but great find. Alright guys, so I checked online. I was really trying to keep most of the deals local, but I could not find anyone selling cases in my area, or not for decent prices, or what I was trying to be able to fit. A lot of people were just selling like micro ATX cases for some reason. So I went ahead online. I bought these Cougar MX330 mid-tower cases, which actually have tempered glass, and I've worked in this case before, and it's a really nice case. So we're going to turn both of those i5s into little gaming PCs, make them look really nice, and these are only $40, so that's actually kind of a really good price. I don't think there's any other decent mid-towers that have tempered glass and come pre-installed with fans. And then I also got two power supply, two 580 plus thermal takes, which should be plenty of power for what we're trying to do. And you really just, I wouldn't recommend buying any used power supply. So unfortunately for the power supply, if you're gonna copy this or try to do a similar wheel and deal build like I'm doing currently, just buy a brand new power supply. Like, do not buy a used power supply. It's not worth it. It's not worth the risk. And that way, you when you're setting it up, you're not going to have to worry about if your power supply is going to fail you or not. So this is actually coming today, so we'll see you when I'm doing the build. So I've run into a bit of a problem. The Dell motherboard in this Inspiron has a generic, proprietary, power adapter. So if I plug the regular power switch LED, everything in here, even if it's correct, it will power on, but the computer will enact some, I googled it, some power fail-safe or some crap like that, and it will not power on fully. Nothing will be on the display. So and the only solution I've looked for this is some people saying they've spliced the wires and all that. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is take this apart, jerry-rig it, plug it in here, and then switch it out with the other already installed power button, and then see if that works, because it does work with this original one. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I found myself in a little bit of a dilemma. So since we're using a Dell OEM motherboard, Dell actually has a lot of proprietary connectors and everything, at least on all the boards I've ever worked on, which this one actually has a proprietary USB 3.0 port right here. And I've worked on ones that don't, so I don't know, it's just this board I guess, but basically we can't use the front USB 3.0 ports. But I have a plan. So I've managed to pick up these LEDs at Walmart, and I think they're like $4.80 or something, so like $5. And basically what we're gonna do, and they go to USB connection. So basically what we're gonna do, we took out the front panel, we're gonna take out the USB 3.0 ports, which is 2 of them, plug it into the board, run it around to the back, tidy it all up, make it all nice and clean, plug the LED lights in, and then get some nice cheap LEDs in here for around $5. So that's the plan right now, and hopefully it turns out good. Alright guys, and as you can see, it's boot up and running. I just installed all the drivers, ran Furmark for a little bit, stress tested the GPU, it works fine. Everything's all put together. And the best part is, we got some free LEDs that look pretty cool and only cost us $5. So thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, drop a comment, subscribe if you want to keep updated with any of my future videos. I had a lot of fun making these, and I hope you had a lot of fun watching, and I hope you can find a PC for the same price. Total cost $240. If you didn't buy a case, you could do it for even cheaper, only $200. And overall, this is a really fun PC build, and you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck if you can go this route. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate for watching, and see you later.